If you look at this card, you can see a young man sitting under a tree. He has his arms and legs crossed, looking down at three golden cups on the grass. This is a moment of deep thinking or feeling uninterested. The cups represent the element of water. This symbolizes emotions that feel still or not changing. It shows feeling emotionally full but also bored or disconnected. A hand emerges from a cloud, offering him a fourth cup. This represents a new opportunity or a gift from the universe. However, the man does not see it, or he is choosing to ignore it. It shows being so focused on your thoughts that you miss what is around you. The tree provides shade and isolation. This symbolizes spending time alone or needing personal space. It represents a pause where you think about your feelings. The landscape is green but quiet. It shows that things are stable, but nothing exciting is happening. Overall, this card represents thinking deeply, feeling uninterested, reevaluation, and missed opportunities. Upright, no maybe. Reversed, yes maybe. Career business studies. If upright, it shows feeling uninspired or stuck in your current work. In your career, it means you might be ignoring a new project or opportunity. It shows lack of motivation or feeling bored with your tasks. If you are planning to change jobs, it suggests you are already mentally disconnected. You may feel that no opportunity feels good enough. If you are looking for a job, it shows rejecting options because they don't excite you. In business, it shows a period where you are not trying to grow. In studies, it shows boredom or lack of focus. If reversed, it shows a sudden return of motivation or noticing an opportunity. In your career, it can mean coming out of a slow phase with new ideas. If you are planning to change jobs, it suggests you are ready to say yes to change. If you are looking for a job, it shows taking more action in your search. In business, it shows acting on something you ignored before. In studies, it shows interest coming back after a break. In love relationship breakup, if upright, it shows emotional distance or not valuing your partner enough. In a relationship, it shows things feeling routine or a bit dull. It represents not being open to love or feeling uninterested in dating. It shows focusing on what is missing instead of what you have. If you are going through a breakup, it shows isolation and not wanting to move on. If reversed, it shows opening your heart again and letting go of the past. In a relationship, it can mean better communication after a quiet phase. It represents coming out of isolation and being open to love again. In a breakup, it shows deciding to move forward and start fresh. Health. If upright, it shows low energy or feeling emotionally heavy. It can also show ignoring health routines due to lack of interest. Recovery may feel slow because you don't feel motivated. If reversed, it shows energy returning and a more positive mindset. It can also show finding a new routine that works for you. General guidance. If upright, look around and notice new opportunities. Don't stay too much in your thoughts. If reversed, the waiting period is ending. It is time to take action and move forward. So, the Four of Cups represents a pause in emotions. It shows the risk of losing interest or ignoring opportunities. It brings deep thinking, boredom, and the need to see things in a new way.